Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to verify your Paybis account. So if you also want to verify your Paybis account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Paybis application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Unfortunately, due to some issue, I'm not being able to log into my account, but I'll guide you through what to do. All you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see on your screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Unfortunately, I'm not being led to that interface, but I'll tell you what to do. On that interface, you'll be able to find the option for verification. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, you'll have to enter your country address. Simply enter your country, state, address line and zip code. After you enter the address, all you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on your screen. Then you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, you'll have to upload your ID. You can upload your passport, national ID or driver's license. Make sure to upload a very clear picture of your ID. After that, you'll also have to go through the presence check. Keep the instructions in mind. Tap on the Get Started button, then go through the presence check. Then review the information correctly. Once you review the information, simply tap on the Submit option. After that, your verification will be submitted. Your verification will be reviewed by Paybis. It might take up to 5 minutes, or it can also take longer. Once the verification is successful, you'll be informed through the email. So that is how you verify your Paybis account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.